Hey everyone, it's Super Mario 134, and I'm just making this video just to say, could all of my friends and subscribers please check out the channel JoekChannel and subscribe to him because he is like really good at making videos and he has a great sense of humor and he is a great friend of mine on YouTube. So could you please check out his channel and subscribe to him because it would mean a lot to me, and I'm sure it would mean a lot to him. So yeah, just check out his channel and subscribe and maybe add him as a friend, and yeah, rate and comment on his stuff because he has some great videos. They're really funny. I gotta say, he was the first friend I've ever gotten on YouTube, and yeah, and it was the best. So please do check out his channel, and trust me, you won't be disappointed. He will be the best ever. Just check it out. You have to. It's I can't really say much because I can't keep saying the same thing, but you must just check it out because trust me, like I said, you won't be disappointed, and he has some great videos that are funny and really great. So I'm sure you will really like his channel. So please check out his channel. All right. Well, thanks. Peace.